Howdy, folks. Good afternoon. This is Transit Joe here in South Florida. Very nice weather in the low 70s with very little humidity. So we're filming outside on one of our spare tables. I wanted to show you all these guys here. You know what they got in common? They're all about to lose their wheels. Just like these guys here did. And some of them are right there. Now, some of them, like this Audi right here, will get an upgrade. It'll probably be one of the priorities. Others, like this strange looking thing here, they're probably going straight to the scrapyard. Be rusting away in the scrapyard. This album here, I got plans for that. So there's a lot of projects I'll be working on. And once I was watching one of Max the Fingers videos this morning, one of his earlier videos, and I think it was episode 3. And yeah, once he takes them apart for the wheel swap, he'll go through the interior and paint it, trying to make it look nice. So I'll be doing that too. So I'm really getting to this wheel swapping. This one here used to be ugly. Took the hideous wheels off. Took the hideous graphics that I had off. And probably get rebuilt in the next couple of days. Now, this episode is to show you my first wheel swap that I did not injure myself or total the car. As you know, I attempted to do a wheel change. I was removing the rivets, and I drilled right through. The scar is still there, you can see it. Right through my finger and deep in my finger. I put the drill in reverse to get it out. Didn't hurt right away. Hurt like crazy later on at night. And then it got infected and it hurt even more. So I learned my lesson with that. And like Mike MacGyver says, practice, practice, practice. I'll get better at it. But this is the first car. Well, let me show you what it looks like before the wheel swap. Because I have a couple of these. This is, I think it's a 94 Audi Avant RS2. And look at the wheels on it. So, I'll hear sirens. So this is what it looks like after the wheel swap. I think it's an improvement. And it's just started, my first one without seriously injuring myself. And got a bunch more to sort out. All this you see here, they're all cars and protectors. These are all going to get upgrades. It's not like some of these will never get an upgrade. They go into the scrapyard like this one here. And this one here. And what's the other hideous looking one? It's in there somewhere. So, look, I just got these in today. Got a lot more to sort through. Okay, this video's gone on long enough. I hear sirens. Jeez. Y'all take care. We're South Florida Comfort. Bye-bye.